I also wish to tell you that we have discovered the local version of Lydia de Vega in the person of Christine Joy Taliente from Barangay Talingaan. At her tender age of 12 in the elementary division, she became the most bemedaled athlete in Region 1 during the 2023 Palarong Pambansa. She won silver medals in the 100 and the 200, bronze medals in the 400 meters and the 4x100 meter relay, running 8 races in 4 days, capturing 4 medals. This was a great achievement. The other athlete who was a gold medalist in the women's discus throw is our very own Ariana Don Rabi of Barangay Gabu. Let us also congratulate and be proud of Dr. Ira Cassandra Sugitan Castro of Barangay 15 Lawag City, who was the number 1, the top 1 in the 2023 physician licensure examinations. In terms of health, we ensure that the Lawag City General Hospital became debt-free, and we paid off the 100 million peso loan for medical equipment which we incurred by the past administration. This was fully paid by our administration on September 5, 2021. The loan incurred by the past administration for the building of LCGH worth 350 million was also fully paid by our administration on May 13, 2022. Isu nga itang kakailyan awanin utang ti LCGH apo. Agapay ti naikabit a fire protection system iti hospital, agtultuloy dagiti improvements iti hospital tayo. Adan in-allocate tayo a 20 million itaatawen a paggatang iti agas ken medical supplies. Adapay 28 million itaatawen a mausar para kadagiti nasken a matarimaan ti hospital kaskoma ti roofing, waterproofing ken dadumapay. Nakagatang tayo pay iti maysa a mobile x-ray, maysa a 2D echo machine, dua a dialysis machine, dua nga anesthesia machine, nang TEDPay, ti PCSO, ti patient transport vehicle. Ken dakel a panagyaman tayo, babaen ti suporta ni Congressman Sandro Marcos, gapu iti inted na 64 slice CT scan ken 4-dimensional ultrasound. We are happy to tell you that LCGH recently received 3 green stars in the Green and Safe Hospital Assessment conducted by the Department of Health, which means that LCGH is safe, resilient, and an environmentally friendly hospital, Apo. For the first time, we have crafted the 5-year Hospital Development Fund, and the same had been presented to the Department of Health. For our peace and order, we will convert consistently the High Functionality Award for Lawag City Peace and Order Council and Anti-Drug Abuse Council from 2019 hanggang 2023. This is a manifestation that all the combined elements of the PNP, PDEA, PJMP, NBI, DILG, among others, were all working well together under our leadership. This has resulted in having a low crime rate in our city and the implementations of innovations to deter crime. The then PNP chief, Police Lieutenant Colonel Rafael Lero, was conferred the best chief of police in Region 1 in 2021, and our Lawag City Police Station was recognized as the 2021 Best Police Station in Ilocos Norte. We have successfully established our Balay Silangan in August 2023 at Barangay 23, which gives intervention, counseling, and livelihood with the objective of helping drug offenders to become productive and law-abiding citizens upon being reintegrated into their respective communities. And I am now very happy to tell you all that we are the first local government in Ilocos Norte and third in Region 1 to have put together an animal pound, the Lawag City Animal Pound. Our Office of the City Veterinarian takes charge of rescuing lost and abandoned animals, especially stray dogs and cats. Once they are rescued, they will be taken to the animal pound in Barangay Kamangaan. As of today, we have 56 impounded dogs and cats. We have 26 of them claimed by their owners and 4 have been adopted. Tapnon, malappedan, ti panagnato, ti krimen dito syudad, we implemented Project Lawag. Nag-allocate tayo iti 19.7 million iti 2022, ken 15 million iti 2023. Tapno maikan iti solar street lights dagiti major roads ken thoroughfares dito'y syudad. Iti beneg ti social services, may sa ti syudad ti Lawag ti adda counterpart na amang mangted ti 100,000 pesos para kadagiti senior citizens tayo nga 100 years old ti tawen na. We are also helping our senior citizens whose age range from 80 to 99 by giving them financial assistance through our Milestone Award Program. Those whose age range from 80 to 84 receive 2,000, 85 to 89, 3,000, 90 to 94, 5,000, and 95 to 99, 10,000. We have 2,202 solo parents in Lawag, 2,001 households who are members of the Pantawid, and 1,555 households who are members of the Listahanan, who are recipients of skills training and were given starter kits to start their livelihood. Apo, Lawag is the only LGU in the province that offers neurodevelopment, pediatric assessment, and SPED assessment services. Located at the Stimulation and Therapeutic Activity Center of the newly renovated Social Welfare and Development Office. Children with special needs are being assisted on how to write, draw, speak, among others. As of this date, we are catering to 54 children from Lawag City. Lawag City has been a consistent passer as a child-friendly LGU ever since 2019, Apo. Agtultuloy, ti panangipaay tayo, ti mobility devices, kaskoma iti wheelchairs, walkers, quadrains, crutches, folding bed, ken folded guiding stick, para kadagiti ada rangkap ti bagina wenno PWD babaen iti programa nga Asenso Lawagenyo. Nairugi daytoy a programa idi ununa a paseti 2023 no sadino a dumanon kami iti maysa wenno dua a barangay Kadalawas. In the business and investment sector, the soon-to-open SM Mall indicates how our city is becoming an attractive business-friendly city. We also have another investor, the El Sands Construction, which is presently constructing 4,600 affordable low-cost housing units at Barangay Talingaan, which is part of the initiative of the 4BH program of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Apo, there are many new businesses that are beginning to be built along the bypass road, and there are ones being constructed and planned as we speak. One factor that attracts investors to our city is because we implemented the Electronic Business One-Stop Shop, or EBOS, in January 2021. And this year, the online payment scheme for business permit applications. This solves the problem of having long lines and delays in processing applications. Because of this, we have realized an increase of 21.57% collection of business taxes from the year 2021 to 2023, Apo. We are proud also that during our administration, 2 cultural properties were considered as national treasures by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. The Liguario, or Spanish Marker, along General Segundo Avenue, and the Gabu Watchtower.